This is one of the most fragrant hairsprays I have ever used. If you want extra shiny hair or simply want a firm hold without weighing down your hair, Blackwater Women Hold Me Tight Styling Hairspray is the perfect solution. It has no residue, it has a 9-hour hold, gives your hair extra shine, and leaves hair manageable. Make sure your hair is clean when using the hairspray. Shake the can well before use to make sure it's mixed thoroughly and evenly distributed. Hold the can 8 to 10 inches away from your hair, and once you've applied the hairspray, use your fingers or a comb to style. As for me and my curls, I scrunch my way out for perfect curls. For curly hair, I need to make sure my hair is wet when I'm styling it so that when it dries up, it has the perfect waves and curls. I also prefer air drying compared to blow drying, as it is the safest way to dry my hair without the fear of damaging it. So curly girls, do air drying instead of blow drying your hair. And then after 9 hours, I checked my hair and it's super shiny and still was holding up my curls. Such an amazing experience with Hold Me Tight. What else are you waiting for? Grab your Hold Me Tight styling hairspray now from Blackwater Women and add and check out from your yellow basket. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to get your support. Please do like and follow my page and share this video if you have curly friends as well. Thank you so much and do take care and have a great day.